Good morning, students. Welcome to the class. So, in the previous class, we have started with chapter 3, that is input and output devices. We have also discussed about the input devices. So, in today's class, we are going to discuss about the output devices. Okay. So, before that, let us first discuss how a computer works. As we all know, a computer cannot work on its own. It can work only on a man's instruction. So, for a computer to work, data has to be entered into the computer, and then the computer will work on the data and give us the final result, that is the output. Okay, so the output means the final result, and the output devices are those devices which are used to display and give the final result. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about the different output devices. So let us begin with the monitor. So monitor is a common output device. So as you can see, it is a picture of a monitor. So how does a monitor look like? A monitor looks like a TV screen. As you know, you know the screen of a TV, the monitor, it looks exactly like the screen of a TV, right? Now what is the use of a monitor? A monitor shows the text typed in and the work done by us. Suppose we are writing something, suppose we are drawing something, the monitor shows us the text that we are typing or the pictures that we are drawing. Means it displays the results. So the monitor, it is considered as an output device. So next it is, so you can see this is the printer, this is a printer. The printer is also an output device. Now, what is the use of a printer? A printer is used to print the text or pictures on a paper. The monitor, it shows the pictures, but a printer, it is used to print the text or pictures on a piece of paper. It can be used to take both black and white or colored printouts. Suppose we want a printout. The printer, by using the printer, we can either take out a black and white printout or we can also take out a colored printout. Okay, the printed copy on a paper is called the hard copy. Yes, suppose we are typing something in the computer and we want a printout, so the printer will give us the printout. The hard copy is the printed page that comes out from the printer, or the printed copy on the piece of paper, it is called the hard copy. Okay, so the printer is an output device since it gives us the result in the form of hard copy. Okay, and the most commonly used printers are dot matrix printers, inkjet printers, laser printers. As you can see it, if you see in your textbook, you can see the commonly used printers. These are different types of commonly used printers which are used in the offices, schools, or any other workplaces. And for what purpose the printer is used? The printer, it is used for getting the hard copy. Okay, it is used for you getting the printouts of the pages, printout of images, printout of any textual forms. Okay, so printer is also an output device. Now let's come to the next output device, that is the speaker. So as you know, this is the speaker. What is the use of a speaker? The speaker allows us to listen to music and hear any sound stored on a computer. Suppose some music or some songs are stored in a computer, and if you want to listen to the music, what we do, we connect the speaker to the computers, right? So that we can listen to the music very nicely. Yes, the speakers, they allows us to listen to any music that is stored in the computer. Means the speaker gives us audio informations, right? It gives the results, it gives the output in the form of audio. Okay, the speaker is also an output device. Now let's come to the next output device, that is the headphone. All of you have seen a headphone, right? All of you have a headphone at home. Now what is the use of a headphone? Headphones are used to listen to sounds from a computer or a music player without disturbing others, right? It is in case of speakers, when we listen to any music using a speaker, the sound that comes out from the speaker, it can be heard from everybody. It can be heard by everybody, right? Suppose your friends are nearby you, your parents are nearby you. So when the speaker is on, the music, it can be heard by all, right? But when we use headphones, the sounds that comes out from the computer, that only we can hear without disturbing the other people in the room, right? So the headphone is also an output device. Now headphone consists of one speaker for each ear. See, there are two speakers for each ear, one for the left ear and the other for the right ear, connected by a band over the head, right? And both the ends of the headphone, they are connected by the band. It looks like a hairband, right? It looks like a hairband. So both the speakers of the headphone, they are connected by the headlight, hairband like band, right? So the headphone, it is also an output device, but we can listen to the music using a headphone without disturbing others. We can listen to the music only by we listen to the music silently. Okay, means we can listen it alone without disturbing others. Suppose there are other people in the room, if we use the headphone while listening to the music, then it will not disturb other people, right? So the headphone, it is also an output device. So what are output devices? The output devices are those devices which gives us the final result after processing. Yes, after the computer processes the data, the output devices gives us the final result. Okay, and the different output devices are monitor, printer, speaker, headphone, etc. Okay, so today I'll not start the storage devices. In the next class, we'll start with the storage devices. So I'm ending the class for today. Thank you.